Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make big text in Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, what you have to do is simply go to the message or the text channel in which you want to send the text. If you want to send the message, tap on the message icon that you can see at the top. Now, you can simply tap on the message of your choice. If you want to send the text in the channel, simply tap on the server of your choice. Now what you have to do is tap on the text channel in which you want to send the text. Now you can see over here that particular channel will be opened. If you tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to send the message. You can see the normal size of the text message over here. So if you want to make the text big, what you have to do is simply type in has. Now tap on the space bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in your message over here. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the size of the text has increased. So like this, you'll be able to send the big text. If you want to make your text bigger than the usual but slightly smaller than this, you can simply type in double has. Now simply type in your message and tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here the text will be smaller than before, but still it will be bigger than the usual. So like this, you'll be able to make the big text. So that is how you make big text in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.